Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Q80C QLED TV. A model that promises to deliver a stunning visual experience with some impressive gaming features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design. The Samsung Q80C boasts a sleek and slim profile, complemented by a sturdy build quality. It comes with a floating stand that not only looks stylish but also provides stability on different surfaces. Mounting options are versatile with a VESA spec compatibility of 400 by 300. Moving on to what matters the most, the display quality of the Q80C is where it truly shines. With its 4K resolution on a 65-inch screen, powered by a dual IPS VA panel and quantum dot technology, colors are vibrant and rich. It supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of HDR content. In our testing, we found the SDR brightness to be impressive, measuring around 828 nits in a 10% window. However, it's worth noting that it lacks Dolby Vision support, which might be a downside for some users expecting that premium HDR format. Performance-wise, the Q80C is a beast, especially for gamers. It features a 120Hz refresh rate and low input lag across all 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, making it ideal for smooth gameplay even at high frame rates. The inclusion of a game hub further enhances the gaming experience, offering a variety of features tailored for gamers. Audio is handled well with a 40W speaker system that delivers clear sound. Though for a truly immersive experience, you might still want to consider a dedicated sound system or soundbar. The TV runs on Samsung's Tizen Smart TV platform, which is intuitive and responsive, offering a wide range of apps and streaming services. So, should you buy the Samsung Q80C QLED TV? If you're looking for a TV that excels in brightness, gaming performance, and overall picture quality without breaking the bank, the Q80C is definitely worth considering. It offers great value, especially now with its reduced pricing across various sizes. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Q80C QLED TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.